So self-install versus professional install will depend on the product. Our interlocking systems are made to be incredibly easy to put down, and you can't mess it up. So we don't say, oh, it has to be done by a professional installer. The interlock systems can be done really by anybody. The glue-down systems, a lot of companies self-install, but if you do it wrong, it's not going to work right. The resinous systems have to be professional installed. So it's sort of a range from easy to harder. Oh, if you need an installer, we can definitely recommend somebody. Anywhere in the country, North America, we can get somebody that can help you out.